In our last video, we discussed a number of misconceptions that surround the world of WordPress. The first topic we broached was, is WordPress really free? The short answer to this question is yes and no. In this video, we're going to dive in a little deeper and explore how WordPress manages to offer such an industry-leading solution for free, but also shed some light on some of the hidden costs that will eventually arise as you require more advanced features and support when building websites with WordPress. Hi, I'm Ryan. Thanks for joining us again at the Learning Hub. There really is so much that WordPress offers its users, but how is this possible without charging a cent? You may be familiar with the terminology of open source. If you're not, open source basically means that the code that is used to create a piece of software is publicly available to anyone. And even more, for the willing and able, you can even have the ability to contribute to the project. So, WordPress is open source. It's a living community project. There are literally thousands of people across the world that contribute to its continual development. And even more, because of the number of genius minds that are constantly creating, tweaking, and bug squashing, WordPress has grown into a safe and secure publishing platform. Because of this, you can, even right now if you choose, go to wordpress.org and download the complete source code of WordPress. There's no need to sign up, simply click and download. But let's dig in a little deeper because the freedom of using open source software, just like WordPress, doesn't stop there. We've already established that the software itself costs nothing. However, the greater freedom comes in the fact that you are also free to use it however you wish. You're free to run and use WordPress for whatever you desire. You're free to open, study, and even reverse engineer how the code actually works. You are free to even change the code, hack away until your heart is content, and make it serve your purpose and need. You are even free to make money out of it and redistribute it as a part of a paid service. But we know that with great power comes great responsibility. And this is why it's important to understand how WordPress is licensed. WordPress is licensed under the GNU General Public License, or the GPL. You can read more about the GPL using the links found in the article below. In a nutshell, this license covers the user for all the freedoms we mentioned earlier. Because of these freedoms, however, the GPL offers no warranty or guarantee for its operation, use, or misuse. With the way the GPL operates, just as WordPress is covered by this license, so must all derivative works that extend the functionality of WordPress. What do I mean by derivative works? Take a premium WordPress theme, for example. Although the developer of that theme is able to sell it to their customers, they also must make their theme code open source so it complies with the GPL. Does that then mean that your content and images you've added to your website also need to be covered by the GPL? That's a very good question. By building a website with WordPress, does that then mean that you give up all the rights to the content you've spent blood, sweat, and tears tirelessly creating? Absolutely not. The truth of the matter is, your content would stand on its own without WordPress. Take away the code, the theme, and the plugins, and your original work, although definitely not as attractive, would still be yours to publish anywhere you wish. As for WordPress themes and plugins, these could not operate without WordPress as their core, and hence why they are required to be licensed under the GPL. This whole topic can be a little confusing, but understanding it helps gain a greater appreciation for how the global community of WordPress works and operates. So with all that being said, what are some of the not so obvious costs when it comes to building a WordPress website? A lot of the time, especially when you start out with WordPress, you'll begin by exploring the freely available themes and plugins, trying out the different functionalities they provide. But more often than not, to gain greater functionality and control, many themes and plugin developers will also offer a premium version of their theme or plugin. This is where, for a once-off price or an annual subscription, you can gain access to not only premium features, but also premium support. Let's take a look at Elementor as an example. Elementor offers a free version of their plugin. This gives you access to a bunch of great features to help you design and build the pages of your website. There are also many great resources, just like this one, that can help you get on your way and learn more about how to get started and how to get the most out of the plugin. Elementor also offer a number of options for their pro version. With this, you get a bunch of extended features such as extra widgets, page templates, theme builders, pop-ups, forms, WooCommerce, but as well as this, you get premium support. The simple truth is, theme and plugin developers need to make money so they can afford to offer you a premium service and continue their efforts in helping you to extend the functionalities of WordPress. All this to say, WordPress is free, and free in more ways than simply no price tag attached. But when it comes to adding greater features and functionality as you build out your website, you may find yourself spending some more money on premium features. So that's all for this lesson. If you haven't already, join Elementor's vibrant community and check out the Academy and blog. This series is about to warm up, so I'm hoping I will see you in lesson 3.